this concept of micro yeses, if you've never heard of it before, is this idea that within one email, you might have to get 10 to 15 yeses in order to get that ultimate click through or that ultimate conversion. So starting with your sender, is this somebody I've heard from before? Do I know who this is? Is this a brand that I trust? Did I give them my information? How do they know me? Do I know them? Do I trust them? If I trust them, then I will say, yes, I will open the email. And that's the first micro yes that you need to get. And then you walk through even the subject line. Subject lines are very important because they tell you what's going to be inside the email. So if I like what I see or like what I read, then I will open the email. And then the preview text is another one, which also might influence an open, so that you've got kind of like in your inbox, you've got your subject line, and then if you may be able to see a little extra text that's like that next layer down. These are all things that we can test different tactics with, and different types of text and different types of offers. And do you use an emoji? Do you not use an emoji? Do you use all caps? These are all things that we need to get a micro yes in order to get an open.